Ebusa mama akwaba Embra Ghana SMTV Mesra like, comment, subscribe, turn your notification so that anytime videos of this nature are posted, you'll be notified. Ebusianfo, if you ever thought, say, this NDC government has anything to offer, forget about it. Forget about it. Aren't ya? Look, ensure ato. And when I saw the videos, I am very, very scary. And sad and so. Anka. As I say, as on my yen kanu kretre ye to know, say, we in a way or the other have all contributed to where we are today. NDC for buying with there. They are only interested in creating content. Content creation nkwa na o ma dream mu. Nsu ato ankrofo ewu. Numbers are eba no enye easy. And as a country, anka ye declare state of emergency kra enye bad. Instead no, Omampeni is in helicopter saying say or share damages aeko. Omampeni, you are in a helicopter with Standogbe. They say Standogbe at one point he say he should be chairman of the anti-flood task force or whatever. Have you not seen, say, can't you say Standogbe has failed? Untimi pamuno. Untimi pamuna now, His Excellency. You are in a helicopter of the same person that is supposed to have prevented what happened today. No. That seriously, no. I don't know. NDC, what's going on? His Excellency, you are an experienced driver, so we should give you the wheel. We should not vote for Baumia or your driver's mate after waging the license. And some Ghanaians bought into that and they voted for you, and now you are the president for all of us. And so, my opinion, then also, you appoint people and they can't perform, you keep them in place, and people are suffering. And then Nadmo no more. Where was Nadmo? After na Mampeni catcher say he's going to ask the finance minister to look at something take some money from the contingency fund, and Mampeni Brofono, we are tired of Brofono. Brofono a dose dodo. We want to see action. People have lost their livelihoods. People have lost as we are speaking, people don't even have a place to sleep. NADMO has not been able to provide people say, oh, yeah, I could secure, sorry, DMB, or I could secure warehouse B. These are inflatable mattresses. Mundasu for a neck. No, people have been left to their fate. We didn't see the military. In some of these disasters, military shows up, but there is no defense minister. We've spoken about it here. No defense minister. Omampeni Kachemene will say, after Christmas, no be appointment. 6 months after Christmas, still no appointment. A whole defense ministry. But we car. Like I say, 38%. Coin. Papa. Pains. But people are suffering. Citizens are crying. Omampeni. And those NDC guys are one attempt to say they want to lay the blame on a MPP. You should be ashamed of yourself. Muna Musi MPP for they've done bad things. How many people have you been able to prosecute and jail? Two parties say, idea I see, it's OBS dying well, Waterways in there. You put sometimes Kophobia more NDC Mamkasa there says Madrinya Jumana. The extent of flood I see, you are seeing on your screen. We think say It's just about house. Omampeni Mahama is talking about the fact say people have created illegal refuse dumps. Omampeni, you caused it. Who buy no? Zoom line your contract. Who cancel? You cancelled it. And we are reliably informed, say allegedly no. Namu per se, papa no pam poladomo chile every Metro TV. Because ni program a good evening Ghana no or the bomb with tipa. And papa no say onye. And because of that, you wanted to punish the papa no and you cancelled the contract. And if today people don't know where to dispose of their refuse and they are putting it all across and it's choking gutters and go, catch them is a day. You caused it. Now politics how the flood every year under Akufo Addo Obiani nebesi china. No one knows tomorrow indeed. And John Mahama, His Excellency, you owe Akufo Addo an apology for the way and manner in which you dealt with some of these issues. Ebrana MPP war power. You owe him an apology. And you should be ashamed of yourself, pa. And so you're very, very much ashamed. Looking back, how do you feel? Nema nsema ochroye 2024. Abrasa floods in the same no. How do you feel today looking back, reading those things that you wrote? Don't you feel shy? And power, look at the kind of things, the statement that was about me releasing here. Statement of hope, statement of unity, nationalistic view. Shame on you.
Even in the air, we discovered many illicit dumping sites where the wetlands are. People have gone to create a waste dumping ground, and they charge 20 cedis for the aboboya to come and fill the waste into the wetlands. And when it has filled sufficiently, they sell the land to people to come and build on it. And so we need to, one, look at it from an engineering perspective in terms of how we can open up the channels, but at the same time, look at how we can identify all the buildings that are obstructing the waterways. We've said this many times. I'm tired of hearing it. But anytime you begin to take action and you start breaking houses, people think that government is inhumane. But when the problem arises like this flood, it affects everybody. And so all of us have been affected because of the conduct of a few people blocking the channels and preventing the water from passing. And so we'll call a National Security Council meeting. We're asking every district to identify, together with the Works and Housing Ministry, where the blockages in the channels are as they pass through the district assemblies, so that we can earmark those places for removal. We'll not only break the houses, we have to move the rubble out of the way, because there's no use breaking a house and leaving the rubble in the waterway. It's just the same as leaving the house. And so it's going to be quite a major issue.
Ghana ni US boma chibi. Ghana she US.
2-1.
Adichi pepe in American for what the bo one newspapers ma watch from Washington Post. The Ghana for no war you come half from what the young kata. Wachi papa bi papa ni kapacho de one jam. Na mami maye nyimpa bi a meyi yi wona waya da man kata ni bi. As I'm talking to you right now, the mini ponon tum Ghana biom. Wa mo wa chichi Ghana fu bebre wadatutu.
Oh.
O sanda inwona wako Ghana wonyi wako no empire bone abosum na ade na wako da mo papa can never go to Ghana again. Iwiasi a yewomi Eliya de chewu bia. The voice woman yen hwani ye.
Right.
Woman yen hwani ye Kennedy. MPP ye bia mo. And the two the wusses who would de you sikei. In your mama, in your dishi, in Timbobiala. Na su kai baby afi. Kai baby afi o Kennedy. Yan can't so then ye be my MPP. I be now so MPP na mo wage ejina wonado. That be the pen all free kick. That John Menso original defend them. That Suleiman Talo no short. That my case and original made for the hot Kennedy. Shannon for which MPP. Now so chow baban. Sawe nya. Bible say. Woman young bompa my yana namu bona wedi. Sawe nya so china ebia na akwa womado Kennedy.
Yo. Me da say.
Musum da say. Da wasi papa.
I think next is elementary, right? Elementary 5 minutes now. So when I hear no 444 say adiasa. Ana. Okay, elementary. Oh. Okay, so elementary ni wa ode next person. So ode wa. So I'm you who I. Yes. Yes, I don't want to as well.
Okuma panu we juma pa.
Amen.
Oye juma ma Dr. Mahmoud Baomia. Na me nkosu nshira.
Amen.
Because atrase na wote no Eden ko tena ho saa na ye program long hours no. Enya easy sa.
At all.
Nyame na oba da bia no nkoso wa no hwe so.
Amen.
No mo ho bai.
Amen.
Say ya libi kura koso oni padua ma ono awurade na nyimfiri ho.
Amen.
Dr. Mahmoud Baomia eho do enti a wo wanya no. Nyame mfa so no onyi emfiri wa brabo mu.
Amen.
Neni omo bia say woye editia MPP no office wanya nemumu no said ye bra panyine I told you kano o say nimo say entumi wa na ebetumi o chena ebetete wontuma o chena bi aha nempo no so noa de ne ho be example say before 2024 ansana when Dr. Mu be shia no ono a won kofa ne picture mfanto ho na enne ya ono ejina we won sound twa picture no mfanto ho no hwe difference e wo ono Kennedy na brabo mu sikane de ubenya sikane de owo nemomu no e wo se Kennedy wo ye ne ho se David na wo hwe na wo ya homaso a won twa nani enkohwe nachi na taade ya bia na esen ne maami jaado wo twa nani akohwe nachi na taade no a ye ka no eno ne MPP udare MPP no nanka obi enimu udare MPP no usika na udi etu ho asafo hene say oye odefo wo de ho wo sika ebia wo sika de but ebia voice ti we woda ba wo da wontimi na enti ye ka kire no ye twen sempanyifo no ne omo beye nemo mu no yesi dua be wo no itu ase na ye ntwa so because and your baby what they start ya okofa a ferry hospital asem at the buy no wonwa said a political maybe second no o say bia na enyine na broso enti a review was some people bia to baby and no be gina ho ya wo na ti ko se kone koka and no koka and ni magu ase because me akopulu nneoma nsa sie pulu kura ba abonten ama onu ankasa na irafi no say NDC fo na ankasa betena abonten anasa tra parliament aka say adwuma MPP fo ye omo mu ye do 40% ne afero 90% a me hu osama anko a wo de free 40 ne ko 98 no menim ahohom ko a wo mu de free 40 e ko 98 na ene nipa de wo panin tra ho ntwantro na de bia so abeya no de wani mu twen ho ne mu menna dai ye hwe ni ye a kyesen I was on a TikTok na the way the base for yi esife twabo yen ne doctor ne yire no ai samu ye bema samu simu wo mema munyi nadi na yen hwe mu ye mema munyi nadi enye mema obi ni o so obi ye the base not a lie so I make us say enye mema samu wo na wo se what party wo se ye friend the base enti say wono mu ye bema won ka say party no magai matimi Ghana for say memra ye beto aba mame say eya won say o call left eya won say o call right na ka won say sani ya wonyonko bia odi kan call ya onya 2% e bia ukura de wonya 2% ubeja quarter percent. Why? Because the two abani yedi kan no we close to 37%. Aha. Ya two mienu no uba 23%. Eno kire say wo do e free nipa nyina mu. Nipa nyina na kan no nipa nyina do me say na me peka na di asem. I have a picture with him. I was Cincinnati. I was by America. But now I can't tolerate in your man or ye no. And I may say and me party na me dono and Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. Then ya won ya wo ye no. Because say ya won what so. And now say near to Abamao and Dr. Mahmoud Baumia solid na ya. And then can tap for organ and you know money. Yeah, sabe can pepper for organ and you know money. Not na phone now organ and no money. Na so na the wo ye nyina say Dr. Mahmoud Baumia we kramuni Dr. Mahmoud Baumia wo fisirem enti wonye nipa se wo bedi o manso wonye nipa so bedi MPP ani mukan na wo na wo ye nipa sabe doctor ono yanto ne so abada wo yato so aba for 24 good 24 how many 24 years yes and what di so the friend saying is it 24 years where them so minua kai kakra asin ne mpeswa so hono
yeah 24 years wa koso.
Thank you what ya ma a certain part of Ghana and as a certain part of area yemu say e dey important pa na wutimi ye wo ho wutimi see 2 factory building e wo ho na factory no is it still continue function yemu say ye ho say wo so di adwuma ba na ye de keto no ma wo no wutimi ye na ye de Ghana na ma wa ubetimi ya na doctor yanto no so aba wo doctor de ya papa na nado e no de beta ni nchemu no de be se ni nchemu no o ma ne kwan kitwa bi se won fan so ne hwe no hwe ne nsa no wadwuma na mpaniampa so no ewiase ni na hu doctor ne nsa no dwuma pa ewiase ni na afre no abetene dwom ewiase ni na afre doctor betene dwom yanto no so aba wo ama ewiase ni na aba mo sama man say pa acheso ye bema wonim die na abrofo ehefo nanimu enwoma se abrofo na so abrofo timi afre bibini abetene dwom abone tai ama oba besia interview no ama interview de man no oyi ano me bone sem man say pa na wo komini wo ne wan se obeka se Dr. Mahmoud Baumia wo fisrem Dr. Mahmoud Baumia oyekramoni Dr. Mahmoud Baumia won sa no fata se obedi Ghana ade so enne de meme ka kirew se Canada ba bia ye wasi no sabe enne bena champon oje wonu monyam nurse ayi bi an doctor obedi wi a be champion na ekọ we say ya de mawa ya ma constituency ba gora wantimi anye enti eno nkyerɛ sɛ ya de mikrom kra juma pokora ma wa hwe wantimi nye because wa mikrom asen kra wantimi anye na me ya mikrom wantimi nye enti Kennedy yesrew amamuo no anya by force mesrew ya force ye ho ne yedi because ball kra no o force ho ka tere coach say number 9 no wanya de enti coach fa metumu a the moment abekọ ball ni mu no onan bebu enti Kennedy wa hwe yi a o man no tension be da so no wa na be ma asa so na ka se ma hwe yi a betwa me nkwana so u betwa wo nkwana so pressure be ba so no u betwa nkwana so enti me mpre wo ho ne nkotuma mpo America na wa hwe yi a o be hwe ase
yo me da say yo I think next one here also Manasseh King, because one of them King by and I was not called anything.